Arbitrage and xZAR on the Polygon Network. Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do to help us grow the channel, and let's get into the video. So arbitrage on xZAR on the Polygon Network. What is it to arbitrage xZAR being on the Polygon Network? How does this help us? Let's take a look. But first, let's get through some fundamentals or basics quickly. What does it mean to arbitrage? To arbitrage is to buy at a lower price on a decentralized exchange, send it to a centralized exchange such as altcoin trader, and sell at a higher price. You may ask, how is this possible? Well, because of international exchange rates and cryptos being just a slight bit more expensive on South African exchanges, this makes it possible. So that is what it means to arbitrage. xZAR, let's talk a bit about that. That is South Africa's stablecoin, and it is pegged to the South African rand. Recently, it was only on the Ethereum network, but now, as you know by the title, it is also on the Polygon network. So let's take a look quickly at how to arbitrage and give you an example of this. Let's get into it. So this is AltSwap. This is an altcoin trader's version of a decentralized exchange. It is powered by DexKit, and we are going to be using it to give you an example of how to arbitrage. As you can see, we are going to be using Ethereum as an example. So let's take a look at how to do this. So for example, if I were to buy one Ethereum on the AltSwap, that would cost me 46,094 Rand. So that is the price of an Ethereum here. And if I bought it here and then sent it to the altcoin trader exchange, I would be able to sell it for 46,629 Rand. That is a 600 Rand profit. If I were to buy 10, that would cost me 453,000 Rand. And again, if I go to altcoin trader and I were to sell those 10, it would make me 464,000 Rand. As you can see the difference there, 464 and 453, that is 101,000 Rand profit that could be made by using arbitrage. So this is what it means to arbitrage, guys, and this is how we arbitrage. So we can use arbitrage to make passive income or to make income and profit just by buying and selling cryptos on one exchange for a good price, buying and selling on another exchange at a higher price. So that is what it means to arbitrage. And let's now take a look at xZAR and it being on the Polygon network. So if we search xZAR on Google, guys, we will find the web page xZAR South Africa's stablecoin. And this is what the web page looks like. If we were then to click on projects, a web page such as this would appear, and we can see the three networks at the top: Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain. Previously, xZAR was only on the Ethereum network, but as you can see now, it is on the Polygon network as well. And as we can see by the notification, it is coming onto the BSC network, Binance Smart Chain, soon. So what does xZAR being on the Polygon network mean for people taking advantage of arbitrage? So as you guys know, the fees on the Ethereum network are quite high. So when making a transaction, people were paying quite a bit and losing quite a bit of profit every single time they did a transaction because of the Ethereum network's high fees. But now that xZAR is on the Polygon network, this means that fees have been slashed and that there is a much bigger opportunity to make profit, because instead of paying, for instance, hundreds of rands on your transaction, you are now paying a fraction of that. So there is a lot more profit to be made. So xZAR being on the Polygon network is good for us as the fees have been slashed and we no longer have to pay such high fees. If you ask me, that is good news for us, guys. And as you can see, if I go to the homepage, a lot of exciting stuff happening with xZAR. I mean, there's a lot of news. It is South Africa's stablecoin. We are hoping to see this project go to new heights. It is a great project. I love what is behind it, and I am loving xZAR. So let's recap this video quickly for you guys. What is it to arbitrage? It is to buy at a lower price on a decentralized exchange, send it to a centralized exchange such as altcoin trader, and sell it at a higher price, therefore making profits. And what is xZAR? xZAR is the South African stablecoin. It is pegged to the rand. And how does it being on the Polygon network help us? It means that fees have been slashed as we no longer have to pay the Ethereum network fees. So guys, I hope this video has helped you. I hope it has given you a good explanation. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.